Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at how to use a compound monocular light microscope. This is a compound monocular light microscope. So today we are going to look at how to use it to observe a slide. Before we continue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video updates. You can also check my YouTube channel for the basic parts of this compound light monocular microscope. Now, the first step is to bring your microscope in a well-illuminated environment or area. Make sure the place is well illuminated to allow the presence of light. So microscope comes with an inbuilt source of light such as LED. So if it is an inbuilt source of light, you can just bring it to that particular source of light. But for this, we are making use of the natural source of light. So you bring it to a well-illuminated area. A window can be preferred for clear visualization. When you are done, make sure you clean the objective lenses together with the eyepiece. So I'm going to clean the objective lenses from here. These are the objective lenses. If you are confused about the basic parts, you can also check my YouTube channel. So I'll also clean the eyepiece. This is to set your lenses away from dust. The next step is to set the inclination angle of the microscope. This is already at 0 position. The angle here is already at 0, so if you're sitting down, you can actually increase the inclination angle by holding the microscope on the arm and then raising it like this. But if you're standing, then no need for raising of the inclination angle. For dry samples, you can actually increase the inclination angle, whereas for other samples, it is difficult because when you try to do so, the sample might skid off from the stage. Then I'm going to increase the inclination angle to this very particular position that I can clearly observe. So like this. Your microscope actually comes with a lot of lenses. We have the low power, we have medium, and then the high power. So you must start the observation using the low power medium lenses. So you rotate these objective lenses to the low power. Here the lowest power is 4x. So I'm going to rotate this to 4x magnification. After fixing the low power objective lenses, look directly into the eyepiece. Focus one of your eyes into the eyepiece and then use your hand to adjust the position of the mirror. That is if you're using a natural source of light. As you're adjusting, be looking into the eyepiece. You can also use the iris diaphragm to control the amount of brightness that comes into the objective lenses. So either you rotate counterclockwise or clockwise in the right direction to get the correct illumination on the object. Use the coarse adjusting knob to lower down the position of the objective lenses to the stage. Keep raising the objective lenses up and down until you observe a white circular fringe like this. When the fringe is finally observed, leave the coarse adjusting knob and then pick up your slide. We are going to make use of the red blood cell. So this is a human red blood cell. So we are going to use this for our observation. Bring the prepared slide into position. Open the clips found on the stage of the microscope and then fix the slide like this. Something like this. Make sure the slide is aligning vertically with the hole found on the stage. When you are done, fix your eye into the eyepiece and then commence your observation. Use the coarse adjusting knob to raise up and down until you start observing something different on the stage. When you start observing something on the stage, leave the coarse adjusting knob and then focus your hand on the fine adjusting knob to get the quality of the image. Rotate the fine adjusting knob counterclockwise and clockwise to get the best quality of the image. Now we can fully observe the red blood cell like this. So this is the structure of the red blood cell as observed from this microscope. If the image is not clearly observed, you can also use the medium power objective lenses by rotating either clockwise or counterclockwise. and then also use the coarse adjusting knob to get the position of the image into view. Some specimens can be best observed in low power medium, while some can be observed in the medium power, while most of them are being observed using the high power mode. So depending on which one you're making use of. The greatest thing is to bring the image into position and view. So focus much on getting the quality of the image using the fine adjusting knob. When you are done, bring your microscope into an erect position like this. Then open the clips. Take away your slide. Bring the microscope into 0-degree angle and then open the clips found on the stage and then take away this slide. Raise up the objective lenses from the stage and then rotate your objective lenses and save it in the low power medium or the low power mode rather. The microscope is best stored in the low power mode. So bring it into the low power mode position. Then use the coarse adjusting knob to lower down the lenses. Return your microscope into the casing. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. You can also check out my videos for more tutorials. Thank you.